Yeah, we're going.
Moments.
We're nearly at the Herbert's depot.
Yep.
I might move the camera just to get a shot of that because yeah, Herbert's.
And just kind of be like, yeah, I enjoy it. It's just to merge with the scenes.
It's just here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just up there.
Right, let's see what they've got out today. No, they normally have some stuff out, don't they? Right, this is the Herbert's Travel Depot, Bedford.
And it's...
They've got some stuff out.
Whoa! Check that out. New acquisitions of Herbert's Travel.
Most of their stuff's inside today because it's really not that busy on a weekend. How come this keeps coming off? Confuddled. Does this go past the stagecoach depot?
Yep.
Oh, number 9.
Friendly driver on that.
I should have time-lapsed this as well. Nah, time-lapse more something for the front top.
Another AGT.
You are an edgy team. Joe, I got so annoyed last night because all my Clapham Junction footage got corrupted.
What happened?
I accidentally recorded it in 10 FPS. I got so annoyed. And it's nothing particularly rare came through apart from the new 377s on Gatwick Express.
That's 3.8s.
No, they're 377s.
Oh,
They're
I
electric.
thought they were 3.8s.
They used to be, but they got upgraded to Electrostars.
They used to be 442s.
I'm pretty sure they're ex-Thames Link.
No, I think they're brand new.
Their livery looks amazing on
It
them.
does, doesn't it?
Oh, we're chasing, is that the 72? Gonna overtake it. Oh no, it's a 71, that's my bus. .71's so irreliable. Like it's almost always at least 10 minutes late. Right, 71 stopping. Are we stopping behind it? No. Hello.
Why would you do that?
Now you're gonna become YouTube famous now.
No, I just feel like I don't exist.
YouTube star.
Yeah, there'll be a lot more people be clicking on your videos for MAIZYS.
Yeah. Puts female in thumbnail.
That's actually every clickbait thing.
That is clickbait for you though.
Pause the film. But it's not clickbait because I am slightly in it for like half a second.
Oh, okay. Right. Nearly at Stagecoach as well, so.
It'll be like.
Right, I'm going to move over here for Stagecoach Depot.
Actual legit female enthusiast.
Yeah.
Not clickbait.
OMG. I almost died.
OMG, I almost died on the bus.
Wait, do we go straight over here or do we?
Yeah, that's the Stagecoach.
Yeah, I know, that's why I'm. See what's out today. Well, it looks like the president's not there, so it might be out.
Yeah, one of them's out.
They only have one now, don't they?
Yeah, on the cloud.
Coolio.
One of them's on
I hope it is. Because I saw that yesterday.
There it is, speaking of the devil.
Oh, there it is. So we're going to get that at the at the thing later. Right, we're going to start to get buses everywhere now, so. There should be a police car around this corner as well, because it almost always is. They've got like little, you know, spots where they like look out for like.
Yeah.
There's one. Oh no, there's normally one there. Well, as we cross over the bridge now, there should be loads of buses. It's a shame this doesn't go past the train station though. It's really.
Yeah.
It's like almost every other route does.
Yeah.
Right, we've got the 74.
Oh yes, favourite. Hey.
I accidentally clicked the stop button. Right, there should be. Oh, Tesla, Model S. Ambo. No, I'm staying in the middle seat. What, seat next to MAIZY? Right, we've got number 4 coming in as well. The Goldington bus. We've never done. I've never done any of the solo routes with you guys.
Are you ever going to be allowed to come back out?
Yeah, eventually.
Yeah.
Right, a lot of people are going to get off here, so.
Yeah, I had to perform there in year 3. Wait, sing. I might have been there with you.
A lot of people are going to get off here, so I might like set that to the back. Oh no, it's vibrating! Oh, Joe's going on the pull.
If you include this in the video, I'm fucking reporting.
Yeah, so.
Like, it'd be report bullying.
Trust me, if you think that's what bullying looks like, you've had an easy life.
I know,
I'm
right?
being bullied.
You're just like, oh, if only it was like.
Only that's what bullying looked like.
I have been
If
bullied.
only.
Just gonna have proper deep conversations in the background of
Hey.
ride
Can
along.
you send this to me? Because, like, this
Yeah, you're not uploading it though. I'll watermark it. Right, got the number 1 to Kempston.
That's the new one, JTO.
Yeah, it's your new city bus. People are gonna think we're so weird, just pointing a camera out the bus window.
It's not, because bus fire is a hot
Yeah, I know, but people will just think we're creeps.
for KFC. I might get like a. Do you want to share a bonus thing? I'm not buying.
What is that? That's
Steak
rainbow coloured.
Cinema, steakhouse in the basement.
Right, I probably need to start getting my stuff together so I'm not left behind.
I love the don't call me.
Joe, can you make sure that doesn't fall over?
Yeah.
Just put your finger on top of it. Don't put your finger over the camera. God, you're not exactly angling it very well. Amateur.
Is that microphone fine?
What are you doing?
Joe is being Joe.
He is. Oh, he's changed the thing already to 51 only.
Oh, we need to go around there.
I'm just gonna say I have. Okay. Describe yourself in one word.
Autism.
Autism.
Amazing. Me.
Right, we've got the number. Is that what? Oh no, that's the ESO ride. P&R. Right, let's see what's in today. We've got
Lots of things.
yes, it is many busy.
I think Luke's on. There's Luke. Look, there he is.
On there.
There's Luke on that one. Yeah.
What's that? Is that the 5?
That's the 6. Waving.
Where is he? Is it the back bottom?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna wait there.
Right, I've got X5 in. You've got.
I don't want to be. He looks pretty.
We still need to find out exactly where the shopper service goes.
Yeah, he's already.
Right. Yeah, Joe. Luke's been riding buses for about an hour now.
Yeah, he's. I don't know why he wants to do it without us. Well, actually, yeah, I do.
Well,
He
yeah.
doesn't want us to be there on it with him.
I might just.
Because we might talk.
Yeah.
You know you're more.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.